Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and software match. That prevents latency and level problems. Plug in your microphone and select it from Audacity's device toolbar. Set the project sample rate to 44,100 Hz or 48,000 Hz depending on delivery needs. Once done, check the input meter while you speak to set a healthy level below clipping. Aim for peaks around -6 dB. Also decide whether to record. Now you'll configure monitoring and test a take so you know what to expect. Turn on input monitoring, position your pop filter 6 to 12 inches from the mic, and speak as you will during the real take. If you see clipping on the waveform, lower gain. If it's too quiet, raise gain or move closer. Use a short test recording, then play it back and zoom in to inspect waveform peaks and background noise. Make small adjustments until levels look consistent and clean. Finish by cleaning and exporting so your recording is delivery ready. Trim leading and trailing silence, apply noise reduction using a noise profile, then add light compression to even levels without squashing dynamics. Normalize or amplify to preferred peak level, then export as WAV for highest quality or MP3 at 192/320 kbps for smaller files. If you discover clipping or harsh distortion, try the Amplify tool with a negative value to reduce peaks, but ideally re-record with lower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.